Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Let's begin with the tutorial first. Create any size of document file you want. Set a size frame according to you and create document. Next, to draw a square, select a square tool and shift button on a keyboard. And select the two corners, set up the square by pressing the shift button on a keyboard. Now drag them inside and make a little bit like a leaf shape. Now change the fill color to the black and select a rotation tool and a window plus alt. Press it 2 times and change its angle of a 22 degree to 19 degree across it, and press the copy button and press Ctrl D 10 to 12 times according to your flower shape and the degree which you selected. Select all the above petals and copy them from edit tool. Let's copy it and delete it again. Now paste the copied content of a flower. Okay, like that. Now drag them on a middle or a side where we see properly flower shape. Now select all flower shapes and go to strokes, select it set and none. Now go to fill and a libraries of that. Go to gradient and a simple. Here you can select the defined colors of a flower like a gradient with white and purple, with also a white with a pink color. Now it sees like it's a proper flower color of a lotus. Now it's a final flower which we created using Adobe Illustrator. Thanks for watching.